is it? Hopefully. That sound is lighting up good. What is it, cod? Oh!
Nice trout.
It's a trout! Get him in, get him in!
That's right.
Oh, you ripper!
Big number.
Yeah.
All day
40.
long.
All days. Well done.
So even from the...
He's got to go from here. There you go.
There you
What
go.
is he, 40?
He's 40.
Baby cod.
Head underwater, I'm falling back into you. I thought we'd be smarter, I got nothing left to lose. You said you fall with me, no matter how far it goes. Down deep and under, we're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater. I'm not sure I really care. We're all over demons, if they ever disappear, I will forgive you if you've forgiven me. We're stuck in this pattern, but I need you close. All I ever wanted was for you to prove me wrong. You're changing our colors again and again. I could never let you go. Something about you feels so different, makes me wanna risk it. Every time I look at you, you pull me back into your river. Swim a little deeper, I don't need to breathe with my head underwater.
Get your brother out.
Low tide.
No, film the fish. We have Mary Wrasse and cold trout, egg and breadcrumbs. Cook up some Mary Wrasse and trout for dinner. Alright, we got cold trout, and some parrotfish. Breadcrumbs, and hopefully make some beautiful fingers. Sizzle, sizzle, baby. Woo. That looks amazing. On goes the trout. I've decided to have fish and chips instead, so wait for that to warm up. I'll chuck the old fish, the chips in the deep fryer. Turns out we've got no bread, so there's no fish sandwiches, damn it. It's all good, but it still looks pretty schmicko. Oh, yum. I've never had parrotfish before. That is so good. Alright. Sizzle, sizzle. The old trouty's coming up beautiful. The old chips are ready. Put them in here. Alright. Put them in there. And we'll put, chuck them in. Get the old chicken salt going. Don't forget the old Kewpie sauce. Tomato sauce on the chippies. There we go. Let's do it. I know everybody does this. But here's a taste test of me cold trout. Best fish ever. That trout is so good. Cheers guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I want to finish off this fish and chips. And I'll see you in a couple of weeks hopefully. So peace out. Subscribe and give us a like. Cheers.
I know it's not easy. I know we could dive into